Did you know that Yellowstone National Park is a ticking time bomb? It's home to one of the world's largest active volcanoes. Yes, it's a supervolcano. Next, the park features more than 10,000 geothermal wonders, including the world-famous Old Faithful Geyser. Speaking of hot springs, did you know Yellowstone's Grand Prismatic Spring is the largest in the United States and one of the most colorful in the world? Yellowstone is also a haven for wildlife, including over 4,000 bison. They're one of the largest wild herds in North America. And it's not just bison. Yellowstone is also home to the most famous wolves in America, helping restore the ecosystem. Who knew so much adventure was waiting in one park? Yellowstone is truly a treasure. Make sure to visit and witness these wonders for yourself.